Why is there so much hate in the credit repair industry? Let's learn why. Sturgis Credit Repair is a 5-star rated online credit repair company. We help people just like you build or rebuild their credit scores. If you have no credit history, we offer products to help you build credit history so that you never have to depend on anyone co-signing for you. If you have bad credit, enroll into our service today and allow us to work on the negative items affecting your credit scores. We take no money up front, so start our service today for free. You'll get updated through your online account as well as receiving updates through your email. For those who are trying to buy a home, we're partnered with multiple real estate agents and loan officers who are ready to assist you with your goals. If you are a real estate agent, loan officer, or anyone dependent on customers with good credit, create a free partner account with us today. You can manually send or receive clients through your online account as well as track their progress before they go to someone else. Visit our website to learn more about our services. Every so often, I get on our business Facebook page or Instagram page and I see posts like, hey, who can fix credit? And Sturgis Credit Repair is tagged and 1,000 other credit repair people or companies are tagged. So of course I get to see all comments on that post that I'm tagged in. And 99% of the time, there's somebody else commenting things like, hey, don't hire a credit repair company. You can do this yourself. They're scams. It's a waste of money. All of these negative comments. I go to a bunch of mortgage loan companies and realtor offices, and I try to offer help for their customers who can't finance a home because they have bad credit. So a lot of the times throughout the week, I'm driving to a mortgage company offering, some type of partnership service or something to where I can help their customers get approved for a home. They're not just throwing away their customers who can't finance anything. They can start closing deals on people who they previously could not get approved for a loan. So the other day I was at a mortgage company and I overheard somebody in the next room tell one of the managers or whoever this person was that was important. They were like, oh, such and such is in there was one of those crazy credit repair people, or here we go again with somebody else that's trying to offer credit repair. And I'm like, why do all these people hate credit repair? Because I understand if you just don't simply understand how it works or like I say, even when I started my business, I didn't really understand or hear much about credit repair. So even if I didn't know what credit repair was, I would never, hate someone if I see them that's offering a service that I'm not familiar with. I'm just maybe going to say, hey, explain what you do or how do you do this? I'm never going to say, one of those dumb credit repair people are here. So a lot of the time it's just due to people who had bad experiences. Or just simply are super uneducated or maybe jealous that somebody else can offer a better financial service. So we're going to talk about all of those things here of why some people hate credit repair services. Why do credit repair have a bad name for itself? And, what we can do as people or humans to, I guess, respect the job or to respect the business. So, if you look at it, a lot of the times you have three types of people. You have one, people with good credit or no credit. They never used credit before. They don't have anything bad, so they don't have to fix their credit. They hear credit repair and they just automatically don't understand what credit repair is because they don't need the service. So if you don't know what something is, you're probably going to have negative views on it. For example, if I started a marketing company and I was able to buy contact information from different businesses so I can do cold calls. And if I call a random person that owns a business and say, hey, I can offer marketing to you. This person is going to be unfamiliar with what kind of marketing I'm providing. They're going to think it's a scam. They're just going to have a negative view at that. And they're just probably going to hang up in my face, and they're going to hate every marketing person that comes into mind whenever they need some advertising in the future. So that goes back to credit repair. If somebody reached out to me and asked if I needed credit repair or know anyone in my family that may need it because they're trying to grow their business, I'm just gonna probably not refer anyone to them because I don't understand how it's done. And most people, they just fail to ask, how this business is operated. The second type of people are people who have bad credit and they signed up for previous credit repair companies and they fail for these companies that say I can fix your credit in 24 hours or sign up in 1 month and I can delete everything off of your credit, which is actually illegal to do in the Credit Repair Organizations Act. But they fall for these online scams. Now everybody in the credit repair industry is a scam or some business across country or some foreign people who own the business and just trying to steal your bank account or something like that. And then you have people who just signed up for a legit company like Sturgis Credit Repair and only tried it for 1 or 2 months and they gave up. Like I said in the previous episode, when I first started credit repair, it took over a year whenever I was just trying to figure out what to do. Therefore, I know exactly what to do now, which still take months. And a lot of people sign up. I've had so many people I can't even count on, the hands of everyone in my neighborhood. How many people signed up and 4 or 5 days later they said, I'm going to cancel because I don't think this is going to work fast enough for me, or if I haven't seen any change in my credit score in 1 or 2 weeks, I'm going to cancel. So those are the people who also hate credit repair companies. They just don't understand how it works, or they just had a bad experience with a company that they, got sold fake dreams to. So, and last but not least, this is one that aggravates me actually. Most of your people that are in the financial industry, realtors and loan officers, I see so many loan officers, they have so much negative stuff to say about credit repair organizations, which I can understand why. One, most of them are not legit credit repair people. I get that. But two, you don't have to say that everyone in the industry sucks or everyone in the industry is a scam or stop, or telling people to not support that credit repair business or hire this credit repair team. A lot of your loan officers and realtors, they give credit advice. They're not credit specialists. They just, work in a industry to where they have to at least be somewhat educated with credit scores. And a lot of times they don't know everything with credit and they try to make themselves, I guess, look smarter than what they actually are. So when you see a customer leave a realtor or a loan officer and say, hey, I hired this credit repair company. Some of the things you told me weren't true. And this credit repair company is getting my scores up and he's telling me how to use a car correctly and telling me how I can get this removed and that removed. Well, that person may feel offended because they're supposed to be the, house buying specialist or financial guru or something like that. And a lot of times they get mad. Another reason, when these realtors, car salesmen, or mortgage loan companies can't finance customers who have bad credit, they make no money because they're commissioned. When a person closes a loan, that loan officer gets a commission. When this person buys a home, this realtor gets a commission. When this person buys a car, this person gets a commission off the car purchase. And a lot of times you take somebody with bad credit that they couldn't make money off of, and a credit repair takes them on as a customer because they're now paying a credit repair fee or some type of service fee to the credit repair company. They're like, wow, well, I just had a customer. I didn't make any money off of them. Now this credit repair company down the road is making money off this customer or some type of service fee off this customer, and I made zero. So a lot of people get offended over that, and they tell all of these consumers that all credit repair people are bad. You can do this yourself. And the crazy thing that gets me, most of these financial people in this industry tell their customers to never hire a credit repair company because they can do this stuff themselves. These are the same people who just went to McDonald's this morning and paid somebody else to make them a coffee before they went to their office. So you're telling people that they can fix their credit for free, which anybody can do anything in this world for free. Yet you just paid McDonald's or Starbucks or CC's Coffee to make you a $5 coffee that you could have made at home for, free. You got your own free coffee and water at home. So a lot of people fail to understand. Most people don't have the time to worry about fixing their credit every month or sending out disputes every month. Secondly, you're telling people to do this for free. All they're doing is just sending out some online templates. If they do it on their own for free or pressing a button on Credit Karma that says this account doesn't belong to me. That doesn't do absolutely nothing. So, what your real credit repair company is, of course, our main job is to verify the account and see if the bureaus can actually, prove that they own the account. But we're also looking for violations, errors in the account, and so much more. So we're not just clicking a button that says this doesn't belong to me or this account isn't mine. You're not just disputing it one time and hoping it falls off. It's consistency and it's experience. So you know what to do with every type of collection, how long it's going to take, and just nail through it just like that. So for people to go out there and say you can do this yourself, well, there's industries in this world that would never fail. Credit repair is one of them. For example, if I knew the stuff or if I didn't know the stuff I knew now and had to get my credit fixed and knew that there's legit credit repair companies out there like Sturgis Credit Repair, I'm just going to hire them. I'm not about to mess with this stuff every single month because, like I say, I took over a year, almost 2 years, trying to fix my own credit whenever I found out I had two medical collections on there due to health insurance cancellations and stuff like that. But I'm not going to sit here and waste 2 years trying to fix my own credit if a credit repair company can do it for me and I can go on about my life and do something else. Same thing with my lawn care and car detailing. I can cut my own grass. I don't. I pay a friend of mine. I support his lawn care business. So there's so many things in this industry that of course, some people can potentially learn how to do everything themselves. That's fine. They're going to take a year learning and then a year trying. That's 2 years right there versus trying out a credit repair service for 4, 5, 6 months, 8 months, something like that. So, for all of the people that just hate the credit repair industry, I honestly think it's a huge misunderstanding with bad companies out there and a combination of a misunderstanding of how the service work, the difference between doing something yourself versus people just don't want to do something themselves. Because trust me, if I'm a real estate agent, a loan officer, or a car salesman, I get somebody in my office who has a 400 credit score, and I tell them, hey, you can't get approved, but this is how you fix your credit. Go out there and see me back next year. Do you think that person is going to go home every day after work and learn how to fix their own credit after you just told them not to hire a credit repair company? What, they may go click a button on Credit Karma, or they may mail in some online dispute template, which doesn't really do anything. By all means, yes, they may try 1 or 2 times, but after that, they're not going to check their mail every month. They're not going to remember to send out disputes every month. They're not going to feel like dealing with that. Honestly, after the first month, they see nothing change. They're just going to give up and you lose that customer. So I think the financial industry is the biggest hate when it comes to credit repair industries. And if people can stop telling people or other people out there who need the service and don't have time to do it themselves, stop telling them that every company is a scam. Stop telling them that they can do this themselves when they don't simply want to. It would be a whole lot less misunderstandings with credit repair organizations. So I can go in my kitchen and fix a hamburger myself for free, but I don't feel like it. I go to a restaurant and get a better hamburger made or get one made quicker than me going to the store, coming home, prepping the food, and then cooking it and then, setting up my dinner plate. So I can go to a restaurant and get a hamburger in 10 minutes versus 1 hour going to the store, coming home, cooking, etc. So this episode was mainly to clear up misunderstandings in the credit repair industry and hoping that someone's out there who's listening that has previously hated the credit repair industry just due to they didn't have the best results or they just signed up for a bad company or they just, like I said in scenario number 3, they work in the financial industry and they feel like they want to be the professional financial credit expert and they may not know everything about credit. That's okay to admit that. Don't down the credit repair company because they can help this customer more than what you can do when they look at you as the professional. There's enough room in this world for everyone to be a professional in some type of industry. So to say all credit repair companies are scams and all credit repair companies are bad, is really a silly thing to do and very uneducated thing to do. I mean, look at it. It's been years and Sturgis Credit Repair has been rolling stronger every single month with thousands of comments on posts of who can fix credit, of don't hire Sturgis Credit Repair, do this yourself, or they may not can help you and stuff like that. Those comments will never get in the way. This is an industry that's never going to fail. Just like tax preparing, I can file my taxes for free on TurboTax, but I don't. I want to go and support my local CPA, somebody that's experienced and that can save me some money on taxes that this silly cell phone app TurboTax will never do. I can go out and fix my own food in the mornings, but I go to McDonald's or Starbucks, get me a coffee. I can, do so much more in this world. It's just a lot. I can look on Zillow and, reach out to a home buyer if I want to, but I want the experience of working with a real estate agent to do the work for me. They can find deals that I can't see on Zillow.com. So it goes both ways. It goes both ways of, telling people not to support somebody in your industry versus, telling somebody not to support the credit repair industry. So I hope this episode kind of cleared up any misunderstandings that they are about credit repair. So as always, thank you for tuning in to this episode. If this video helped you, be sure to like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.